Let's say you woke up one morning and thought, today I'm going to jump into Jupiter. Maybe you were feeling brave. Maybe you were just curious. Either way, you jumped. So what happens next? The answer is everything ends faster, stranger, and more dramatically than you could possibly imagine. But how does it end? The answer to that question delivers a physics lesson and an existential crisis at the exact same time. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, so large that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. But here is the truly strange part. Jupiter has no surface, which means when you jump, there is no solid ground to land on. There is only a mass of gas that gets progressively denser. Think of it like jumping into a swimming pool, except the pool has no bottom, and the water gradually turns into lead. Ready? Let's go. The moment you enter Jupiter's atmosphere, your speed is approximately 60 kilometers per hour. Around you, yellow and brown cloud bands. Sounds almost romantic, but these clouds are not water vapor. They are ammonia and ammonium hydrosulfide crystals, which means the first breath you take hits your nose like a century-old public restroom. Data collected by NASA's Juno spacecraft since 2017 shows that these upper atmospheric layers can drop to minus 145 degrees Celsius. So you are simultaneously freezing and breathing ammonia. Wonderful vacation. Jupiter's gravity is 2.4 times that of Earth, which means a person who weighs 70 kilograms on Earth would immediately feel like 168 kilograms on Jupiter. Joints, muscles, and internal organs all feel this pressure at the same time. You are lying on top of a car, and someone puts another car on top of you, then another, then another. That is the feeling. A few hundred kilometers down, the atmospheric pressure reaches the equivalent of Earth's sea level pressure. At this point, the temperature rises above zero, somewhere between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius. Theoretically, this is the most habitable zone. Some NASA engineers have described this region as the only point in Jupiter's atmosphere where a floating city could theoretically exist. But this thought experiment does not stop here. Because you don't stop here. You keep falling. The deeper you go, the denser the atmosphere gets. But it also keeps pulling you faster. Thousands of kilometers below, the pressure reaches approximately 100,000 times Earth's atmospheric pressure. At this point, hydrogen is no longer a gas. It is a liquid. This ocean of metallic hydrogen deep inside Jupiter conducts electricity, appears silver in color, and is unlike any substance you have ever seen. The moment you enter it, your body is literally reduced to its individual atoms. No explosion, no spark, just a slow and silent dissolution. You reach Jupiter's core. Scientists are still debating exactly what this core is made of. Juno data published in 2021 revealed that the core is not a solid ball. It may have a fuzzy and diffuse structure. This core, with a mass 15 to 40 times that of Earth, experiences pressure levels that are beyond imagination, between 40 and 60 megabars. For comparison, the pressure at Earth's center is approximately 3.6 megabars. Jupiter's core is 15 times that. At this point, you are truly gone. Your atoms have become part of this planet. Jupiter is already made of the same things you are made of: hydrogen and helium, the most fundamental elements in the universe. And you, ultimately, are made of those same elements too. Falling into Jupiter is, in a way, like going home, just in a slightly more dramatic fashion.